Hello, what's up people, it's Shazan here, welcome back to Decremis. Today I have brought you a completely amazing project named as Theta. So without wasting any second, let's get started. So the first interface looks like this, next generation video delivery powered by you. If you never heard of Theta before, here are a few things to underscore. Theta is a project by Theta Labs, a software company based in San Francisco that specializes in decentralized video delivery. Theta was founded by Mitch Liu and G.A. Long. Theta Lab in 2017 as a means of developing a solution to the video streaming issues they were having with their initial video streaming venture, Theta.tv, the Theta blockchain in this solution, and went live in March 2019. In contrast to centralized delivery network, which broadcasts video content from a centralized server that uses a network of nodes to relay video content to viewers. This setup not only lowers the cost for video content distributor but also make it possible to stream 4K and 8K videos with minimal buffering to incentivize nodes to participate on the Theta network. Users who secure the Theta blockchain or relay video streams earn rewards in Tfuel token. Viewers can also earn small rewards in Tfuel just for watching streams on the Theta network. Since the Theta blockchain is based on Ethereum's blockchain and it is a smart contract compatible and supports both fungible and non-fungible standard, naturally Tfuel is used to pay for any transaction fees associated with minting and moving these tokens, including the Theta token, which is used for staking and will eventually be used for governance. Theta is quite centralized as it currently has 14 validator nodes, supports a maximum of 30 validator nodes. These validator nodes are run by Theta Labs and the multiple tech giants that has partnered with Theta since its launch. Now Theta offsets some of this centralization using a network of guardian nodes who double check the blocks created by validator nodes. There are nearly 4,200 Guardian nodes at the time of shooting and nearly 40,000 edge nodes. Edge nodes power the Theta Edge network, which is the first fully decentralized peer-to-peer video content delivery network. Unlike validator nodes and Guardian nodes, edge nodes do not stake Theta to earn Tfuel. Instead, they just dedicate their computing power to relaying video stream for Theta network, including the Theta Edgecast, which function as the front end for the Theta Edge network. Any video content on Theta Edgecast cannot be censored or taken down, which is a big deal in my book. This is in contrast to Theta.tv, which also leverages technology but is centrally controlled by Theta Labs team. Theta had just released details about Theta 3.0. And to say that I glossed over Theta 3.0 is an understatement, so I'll start by doing it justice. Interestingly enough, the whole purpose of this 3.0 is to onboard as many edge nodes as possible. To achieve this, Theta 3.0 will make some major modification to Tfuel's tokenomics. As I mentioned a few moments ago, edge nodes currently earn Tfuel just for relaying streams, and it turns out that these rewards are not very lucrative. This is a problem because it means that there isn't very much economic incentive to participate as edge node, and uphold Theta's Edgecast network. To solve this, Theta 3.0 will make it possible for edge nodes to stake Tfuel and become elite edge nodes that will earn extra Tfuel. Tfuel staking rewards will be distributed based on network uptime and the amount of Tfuel staked. As a cherry on top, 25 of all transaction fees made on Theta's Edgecast network will be burnt. Since Tfuel is used to pay for these fees, it means that the Tfuel could not theoretically become a deflationary asset with enough transaction on Theta Edgecast network. Tfuel is currently inflationary to the tune of 5% per year, and this will increase by 2 to 4% per year when the Theta 3.0 goes live. To pay rewards to elite edge nodes staking Tfuel. Theta 3.0 was originally scheduled to launch at the end of April, but will now be launching at the end of the June according to Theta Labs. This delay was to quote ensure the edge network function efficiently as it scales to 100k plus elite edge nodes and to incorporate some building blocks for their long-term NFT vision. Their explanation also highlighted that the fact that Theta has delayed network upgrades in the past for the sake of security and have consecutively never had their blockchain grind to a halt. So, like many new cryptocurrency, Theta Labs also seems to hint that they are working on some cross-chain NFT integration with Ethereum, and even hopes that Theta blockchain will become the go-to blockchain for all cryptocurrency NFTs. Apart from delay to 3.0, Theta has continued on its course of exponential growth. In early December 2020, Theta enabled its smart contract functionality. Theta Labs also reduced the stake from 10,000 Theta to 1 Theta to account for the increase in Theta price. 1 week later, Theta Labs released the Theta browser extension wallet that make it possible to interact with dApps built on Theta. Shortly after the Theta Labs introduced the Theta token minter, making it possible for anyone to create fungible tokens without having enter a single link of line of code. At the end of December, Theta Labs enabled staking for code pre-elite edge nodes, which would make it possible to stake between 10 to 100,000 Tfuel and earn real Tfuel for helping Theta Labs test the feature in January. This year, the Theta Labs introduced video transcoding to the Theta Edge network. Now, for those unfamiliar, video transcoding involves converting the format of the video stream so that it can be viewed on different devices. That is smart TV versus laptop. That seems to have sparked some chatter at the World Poke Tour, which natively integrated the Theta protocol and Tfuel payments on its platform. Theta had previously partnered with World Polka Tour to stream poker 24/7 on Theta.tv. In February, Theta Labs released Theta Swap, the first DEX on the Theta blockchain. If the name didn't give it away, Theta Swap is the clone of Uniswap. Although the Theta Swap currently only offers trading between tokens on the Theta blockchain, Theta Labs is working to bring a wrapped version of the other cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum to Theta and Theta Swap. That same month, Theta Labs partnered with Lionsgate to stream Hollywood classic on Tether.tv. This marks the second time Theta has partnered with maker of Hollywood movies. To add hype to it, it was also revealed that the Grayscale had failed to incorporate a trust for a Theta token. Now, this news went by relatively unnoticed, and I suspect that's probably because Grayscale's Theta trust is still waiting to get the green light from regulators. In March, Theta.tv became available on the Line, one of Japan's most popular messaging apps, which boasts nearly 170 million users. Sony's European arm also become a validator on the Theta blockchain. If it's not impressive enough, Theta Labs also secured its second US patent, which is for the incentive structure of its decentralized streaming protocol. This builds upon the Theta Labs is the first patent granted last year, which was for the decentralized streaming protocol itself. So let's have a look at their roadmap. As for the Q2 2021, the mainnet 3.0 launch, Elite H nodes, Tfuel staking and burning. Line dApp launches with Theta integration. Official Theta app release for Ledger and Trezor. Version 2 Edge compute with expanded video transcoding or encoding. As for Q3, caching new use cases, game pages, software updates, etc. Edge compute new use case, machine learning A1. Other compute heavy jobs, version 2 Edgecast fully decentralized streaming dApp. As for Q4, beta of Edge storage IPFS integration, version 2 advanced smart contract developer platform. So that's their goals for coming into this year for Q2, 3 and 4. So that was for their website. Let's have a look at their price. So the price for Theta today at live price of 24 May, $6 and 54 cents, which has a gain percentage of 20%. After the great crash, it has also recovered its position. The market cap is 6.5 billion. So that's a lot. As for the supply, 1 billion Theta are available in circulating. Let's have a look at the all-time chart here. So if you have invested here like 0.1, so now you're here on $6. So depends on the coin that how much you have earned a lot. So at the end of this year, if the great crash doesn't occur again, so I guess this at the end of this year, this would go to $11 or $12 Yeah, because it's have a good use case here, and people are interested in this coin. As you can see, after a great crash, how it is recovering its position. Let's have a look at the coin gecko. So as you can see, like in last year it has a gain percentage of 2149%. In last 30 day it was dropped minus 33%. After that in last 14 day it was dropped minus 44% and minus 29%. And look how fast it regains its position. Like in last 24 hours it rises to 19%, and last hour it rises 1%, and it's still going on. As you can see, like if goes from yesterday it was on $5, now it's on $6, so it's still increasing. If it goes like this, it will reach that $10 in a month or two. A lot of coins still in the circulating. As you can see that 1 billion coins available here. So if you want to invest in it, this project is best for you, and it have a best use case too. It is ranked as number 22 on the coinmarketcap, and you can see the markets here. As you can see, it is listed on a lot of exchange. As the number of exchange increases and the circulating supply get burns, the price of this token will increase, and it will go to the moon. And this is the best. Looks a very solid project to me. It is listed on all of the major exchanges like Binance, Huobi, OKX, uh, BKX, and KuCoin, Gate.io, Indodex, Bitmart, Wazirex, Gate.io, Automars, Huobi. So it's listed on all of that major platform and is compatible with it. So that was up for the Theta network and updates what's going on with it. So if you are interested and you want me to get you updated with this project on weekly basis, so I can do that for you. Just pin down the comment in the comment box, and I would read through it and see that how many people take interest in this project. So I will make a video on it on weekly basis and get you people updated with it. So that was up for this video. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more projects of the crypto and have a gain in your knowledge, etc. Thank you.